Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Simply Miss Sarah, and if you have watched my videos before, you know that my husband and I have spent a year converting an old FedEx van into a camper van, and we have taken some really cool adventures in it since building it and finishing it during quarantine. And since it's now the cold season here where we live, we have decided to winterize our van and put it in storage until spring. And so I thought I'd take this opportunity to give you a house tour of my home, which I wanted to do for so long and just never took the opportunity, but now I think it's the time, so I'd like to show you around my home. So when you come to my home, that's the greeting you get from my two little dogs. Every person that comes gets the welcome barking greeting. So this is my living room, and you walk into the front door. We used to have a basic couch across the back and decided that was a little bit awkward for people to sit and visit. So now we have this nice L sectional that has been a lot nicer. And Ken and I spent a lot of nights sleeping on this couch because why not? It's comfy. Of us, my husband and I, some of our rooms are a little unconventional, so this is probably supposed to be used as a bedroom, but we have an office. Our bathroom, which is pretty self-explanatory, except since we live in a 3-bed, 2-bath, I use this bathroom as my primary bathroom, and Ken uses the one upstairs, not because we don't like each other, but if you have 2 bathrooms, you know, you each take your own. Just makes sense, and it's kind of nice. Then I don't have to clean up Ken's chin hairs when he shaves and stuff. But this is my bathroom. My favorite feature is the laundry chute, which I love a lot. And I really like to come in after work and I can come right to the bathroom and drop all my dirty scrubs right down the chute. Welcome to my craft room. So fun fact, when I first moved in with Ken, I decided I wanted my own room. And so this was actually like my bedroom, and I put all my stuff from my apartment in this room. And that got old after a while, so as you can see, it has transformed into a craft room, and I now share the bedroom upstairs with my husband. This is my dining room, and you gotta notice a theme here that you think that the girl does a lot of the decorating, but actually my husband Ken has got a pretty good eye, even though I won't admit that to him. This cabinet here was actually mostly decorated and put together by my husband. I did add a few things after I moved in, but mostly this is his doing. And here is my kitchen, which if you've seen my other videos, you've probably seen quite a few times by now. It's pretty basic. We wish we had a larger kitchen, but it does the job. So here it is. Many of you have also seen this area, kind of, in some of my other videos. We have a poker room, which if you know my husband, makes a lot of sense, and a home theater. So if you remember the laundry chute that comes down from my bathroom, this is where it comes out at. And it used to get stuck in this little cabinet area, and that'd be really annoying. So Ken built this little slide, and now it slides down into the basket.
No.
It didn't slide?
It's slowly sliding. The suspense is killing me.
Did it slide?
Kinda.
Well, you don't see this part normally, it just makes it in the basket. So features other than the laundry chute that I really love is this really cool clothesline. It's indoor, so we have two. It has been clutch for rugs, blankets, sheets, anything you want to hang up, bras. Seriously amazing. One day, if I don't have this in my house, I'm finding a way to make one. Also, there is storage on storage on storage on storage in this house. All these cabinets are just places to store stuff. We have board games in here, all kinds of extra stuff. It's really one of my favorite parts of this house is the storage. And speaking of storage, I have a huge pantry where I keep all my extra dishes, jars, crock pots, anything you would want for your kitchen that I can't fit in my kitchen is down here. And the basement does not stop there. We also have an awesome workbench that has come in handy a few times, mainly for opening bottles of wine that we can't get open. It's a really funny story I'll have to tell you sometime. Alright, we got a few flights of stairs to get up to our bedroom. So before we go too far, we have to stop behind the door and look at our really big closet. Now I know most people only have one closet, but as I told you, this house has a lot of storage. A lot of storage. So over here, you'll see some built-ins where Ken keeps all of his clothes. Also, there's a second closet back here. built-ins. So I think I told you when I first moved in, I didn't actually share this room with Ken. I had the bedroom downstairs. And I originally tried to keep my craft stuff up here. And as I told you, I switched things around. So I had to come up with a creative way to display all of my stuff. And this is what I came up with. From here to here is my closet. And these I made myself. And if you guys would like a video on how to make your own DIY jewelry display, please comment below and like this video, and that will tell me to make a video about how I did this. So I told you that there was going to be a theme here where Ken makes a lot of stuff or does a lot of the decorating, and Ken also seems to do projects when I'm out of town. So this area, along with painting our entire bedroom white from the ugly weird green that it was before, this is one of Ken's masterpieces. And this is Ken's bathroom, which is in our bedroom, and it's pretty nice. It doesn't have a bathtub though, which is why I chose the downstairs bathroom. So as I told you, our house has a lot of storage. And the attic starts here and goes all the way down. Hello there. So this is our back porch. I've done some videos back here too, so you might recognize it. It's really nice because it's covered and screened in. So some cool features that we added to our backyard is this nice privacy fence that we really love. And then my husband and his brother built this really cool fire pit that we've used for campfires when we decide to camp in our backyard. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'm going to try and link my favorite decorative items and items that I have purchased for my home in the description below if you'd like to check any of those out. And don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite part of the house tour and if you'd like to see any of our DIY projects and how we did them. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. See you later.